Hi everyone, welcome to Momus Craft. Today we'll learn how to create a Scarlet Macaw Mask. This mask is wonderful and is perfect for beginners because it's pretty easy to make. To create it, we are going to download and print the templates on paper or colored paper cardboard. So you have the link in the description and in the comments. There you can choose the mask size and know how to cut the pieces and fold them. The first two template pages are red. The next two are white, and the last one is black. Here we already have the pieces ready to assemble the mask. As you can see, there are few pieces. We will start using the pieces with numbers 1 and 2. We'll prepare the pieces by gluing the flap that each one has and then joining them to form a large part of the mask. The next two pieces will form the eyes of our Scarlet Macaw. So before joining them to the mask, we'll first form the circle of the eyes in each one. When finished, we will join piece 3 on the right side and piece 4 on the left side of the mask. Now we will begin to create the beak. So first we'll add glue in piece 6 to give it shape and then join it with piece 5. Once this part is formed, we will join it to the mask. We are very close to finishing it. We will add this last piece. So we'll glue the flap and then join it at the bottom of the mask. Like the video if you like this mask, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. To finish, we are going to use 2 wool threads of approximately 30 centimeters. We'll make 2 holes on both sides of the mask with the tip of the scissors and then add a thread on each side. To finish, we'll tie a knot in both. And now we have our Scarlet Macaw Mask ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Momus Craft. Thank you very much for watching the video.